back to my channel. My name is DJ Ko and this is Lakbaylaag channel. And for this and for today's video, guys, we're gonna do another collaborations with the Siargao Vloggers today. So we agreed that we have to, we agreed that we're gonna gather today here in this part of Siargao. Of course, so by the way, so behind me, guys, if you know this place, this is Madison mountain view. As you can see, there is a countless coconut tree. Wow! And it's very awesome. And look at here. Whoa! So that is very deep. I don't know what it calls. That's it. So just be careful when you come here and take a picture. And of course, guys, this spot is perfect. It's also good for sunset because the sunset was on the side. So there's a curve of the tree of the mountain, something like that. And yes, so it's a good spot. And especially this area right here. It's very awesome and really spectacular. And I know there's a lot of vlogs, pictures posted on social medias, Instagram, Twitter, and so on and so forth about this place. But then, yes, it's really amazing, guys. Hopefully, I can take you here, or you will be here, and we can be there. We can be here soon, of course. And yeah, so what's the plan today? Is we're gonna enjoy the Madison River, and then after that, we're gonna hang out. And yes, so let's wait for them, and yeah, let's. So hey guys, we're here in Madison River, Actually, guys, we meet already here. Hi guys, and let's meet a new friend here, si Daryl de la Mene Vlog. So, check his channel on the descriptions, and of course, pop up the screen. What did you do in your vlog?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Vlogs.
Run.
So, what is your vlogs?
So, vlog ko ay nagsusurf at saka nag-aayos ng mga board.
Wow, sugoi. So he do surfing vlogs and surfing board repairs, all the surf stops and so on. Do you have some like
I have own surf shop.
Oh, sugoi na.
Yeah.
He's a businessman, a young businessman. So keep it up. Thank you so much. And of course, let's meet Miss Hi guys. Ni hao mo.
Hi, I'm transgender. Char! Joke lang guys, I'm pure girl.
Pure.
Tsaka don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Sure, kagwapa ko lagi din.
Oo.
Sa bagay, ngayon lang din naman ako kumanda ng kasama ka.
Yay!
Paano masabi?
Gumanda yung buhay ko, nakasama ka!
Yay! Eh, paano pala si Berte?
Wag yan, magiging asawa ko yan. Ikaw magiging kabit ko lang.
At least may side trip.
Oh, yun nga. Tsaka pala, thank you sa damit ko. May DIY nga pala.
Yes, so shout out sa Tagalog. Okay, shout out to his DIY clothing. So let's check. Here, si Kuya Giovanni.
Hello guys.
So what did you do?
I'm cooking actually.
He's a chef cook in all restaurants here in Siargao. Joke. Just kidding.
At least
Yes.
this restaurant.
Oh yeah, blessed resorts and restaurants. Yeah, so he do chef cooking stuff on his channel, so please check it out. Link on the description as well. And finally, the other was there, Siargao Road Trip 360. John McAlberty and James David are having a shoot and for some incredible vlogs once more again. So let's enjoy today and see you.
NANI?
and the next stop. Stop here in Madison River, as you can see, we just stop over here, and that's that's almost 9 months, and that's the bridge of Madison River. So after 9 months, we finally we came back here, so we made it back in here, and after like that, hopefully this spot will open soon for this. So without a further ado, let's enjoy this place and explore what's the update of this spot. So let's check it out.
Do you have a moment? And this very second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel?
So finally we made it here, and let's enjoy this spot once more again, and let's go. For an update, look at this way. It's very enchanting now after 9 months, so no maintenance happening. So but if I feel it's a good side, because I really feel the nature and really dramatic entrance, something like that. So let's see and let's check and have fun in this spot once more again. So let's go, let's do this.
Do you have a moment?
So finally, so let's see the close up of the spot, and we're gonna jump because it's been 9 months since 9 months ago we've been here and enjoying this place. So this is the update of Madison River. So there is no, there's a lot of buko, coconut fruit, and there's a local and locals, all locals like us. So let's enjoy. I'm super excited to do it once more again. So let's do this, guys. It's time to shine. Joke, I'm just kidding. So let's do this.
Do you have a moment? And this very second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing,
So guys, we already finished in Madison River. So as you can see, I hope you enjoy my jump there. It's been a long time since, actually it's way back 9 months ago, 9 or 8 months, something like that, since the lockdown. So yeah, so hopefully you enjoy this new clip in Madison River. And of course guys, please check it out. Check this out when you came here in Siargao. And of course, since it's lunchtime, shout out to Yasi Fried Chicken and Sauce na Lamian. Thank you for sponsoring for our lunch for today. So,
Fried chicken,
Sauce na Lamian.
ang sauce na lamian, it's located on Del Carmen. So order na.
Yep.
It's free delivery.
Yes, it's free delivery. So, let's chibog na.
Chibog na.
So yeah, finally we made it here in Santa Paz, and of course Shout out to Kuya Giovanni. So he's gonna sponsor us for lunch today.
No, I'm not. That is for your. I think that is your order.
Yeah, so finally we made it here in Santa Paz, and of course because it's gutom na, so it's time for lunch. So if you're seeking for a good viand for lunch, so please check it out. Yasi fried chicken. It's a very they serve a lot of they serve whole chicken, from leg to the whole up to whole chicken. And of course, thank you so much Yasi fried chicken for trusting us. And of course, guys, please check it out. And of course, that's Yasi fried chicken ang sauce na lamian. So check it out. Available every Monday to Sunday. They open their business from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Of course, visit on their Facebook page, Yasi fried chicken ang sauce na lamian. So they offer also free delivery all over Siargao. I mean, they offer free delivery all over Siargao and free delivery in the Carmen area. So, let's check it out. Dahil gutom na, let's do this! And actually, we're here in the house of our friend Giovanni. So, let's get aside here. And the Siargao Vloggers was here also. This is our venue for today's lunch. Let's sneak out.
Okay. Dahil yung mga tanong, base ka na, galing mga badyang, galing mga gulay.
Ay, Bagja, mag-challenge siya.
Hey, see.
Do you have a moment?
So we finally here in our next destinations, which is, I don't know what it calls the place, but it is located in Pilar. So a vlog of Fin Snow. It was the title, The Last Secret of Siargao. But look at this behind me. Look at the crystal blue there. And they're starting vlog now. So James, Daryl. How are you, Daryl?
It's good.
Good. It's your first time here, no?
Yeah.
So
But it's nice to see her.
to see her. It's nice to see her because she's pretty and lovely, isn't it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So yes, that's the spot. Let's enjoy this place.
Matter where you go, always on my mind. I could be alone, but you're never far from sight.
So guys, as you can see, we're here already in our next destinations, which is, I don't know what it calls, but this is a secret spot, hidden spot here in Pilar. If you know, if you watch my previous vlog, I've been here also, but only few. It was my first time way back then, but today it was my second time. I bring my friends here, the all Siargao Vloggers. Shout out to GSB TV or James TV and Michael Bertley right there, and Miss Hi guys. They're making vlogs now, Siargao Vloggers, and their first time and really spectacular, guys. I don't know. Hopefully this place will be, I don't know. But I think the local here, the owner here, plan to make this open to the public soon for touristic purposes. I don't know if there's an entrance fee for soon, but yeah, maybe expected to have their entrance fee soon. He wanted to be here, but you know this place is really amazing. And later on, we're gonna Jim the boy, we're gonna fly a drone, right? So after, and also pretty shoot here. It's really also good for Instagram shots, and wow, really this spot is amazing. Beside guys right there, don't know what you're doing, but here we go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to click like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. So that if you have suggestions, recommendations, feedbacks, or anything, something like that. And of course, guys, don't forget to share to your friends. And see you in our next vlog. Woo!